Euro defense ministers reveal 6th-generation future combat air system. In front of a full-size, veiled mock-up of the future combat air system, French, Spanish and German defense ministers signed an accord Monday on the development of the 6th-generation aircraft before dramatically unveiling the model. The future combat air system is expected to become their mainstay fighter jet by 2040. At the Paris Air Show on Monday, the defense ministers of France, Germany and Spain committed themselves to the development of the future combat air system in front of a model of the futuristic fighter jet. Aircraft makers Airbus and Dassault Aviation signed an agreement on joint production of the future combat air system in April 2018, although a constellation of other defense companies will also be involved. In February, the two companies signed a $74 million contract for a 2-year study to figure out who's going to build or design what parts of the plane, beginning with the French Safran aircraft engines and German MTU Aero engines, which agreed to design the jet's propulsion system. The model of the future combat air system will be ready by 2026. Just as Turkey lost access to Lockheed Martin's F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, Turkish Aerospace Industries unveiled a model of its indigenously designed 5th-generation fighter jet, dubbed the TFX, at the Paris Air Show on Monday. Turkey's primary aircraft design bureau put forward at the air show Ankara''s answer to the loss of the F-35, a plane Turkey had once hoped to buy 100 of from the U.S. Washington recently put that deal on hold over its continued objection to Ankara's purchasing of S-400 air defense systems from Russia. According to Defense News, the TFX will have a top speed of Mach 2, a range of 600 miles, and will be capable of lifting 60,000 pounds upon takeoff. Its engines will provide the jet with 20,000 pounds of thrust each, making it roughly comparable to the Joint Strike Fighter, although a tad faster. In terms of manufacturing, Turkish Aerospace has enough strength to build this fighter, Kodal said. Our machine is a mock-up, but in 2023 there will be a real machine, and first flight and it will be in service in 2028.